Big wind came along and this tree calved a branch. It went all the way to my satellite dish for internet, my wonderful Hughes dish. And yeah, it's all cleaned up now. I didn't film any of this. Frankly, I didn't think I'd get it working. The whole top of the dish folded over here on this side, and the whole dish was distorted really badly. All lumpy, and because around the bolts and stuff, it pulled out. So I had to unbolt the skin and take it to my porch, my wooden porch, and hammer this thing out. Little by little, you can see all the marks. And I eventually hammered it out. Then I still couldn't get it to work, but I eventually adjusted it back and forth, and I got it, much to my own amazement. So I'm back in service. Of course, it's not up to 100%. I'm getting about a 59 where I was getting about an 80 as far as signal strength goes. That's about the worst part of the dish. This was all screwed up. But I got this part pretty smooth. I can still feel a little lump in here. But that's how I did a lot of it, was just by feel. So that's where I've been the last few days.